Okay, here we go. The kitchen is almost finished now, so we have our cabinets up above the washer and dryer and the refrigerator. And the way it's going to be set up, those cabinets on the right, the top cabinets on the right, will have a lock on them, and it'll be our lockable closet, and it also prevents you from hitting the light up above. But so we have cabinets there. Fixtures and everything are in over here. And then here's the new pantry. Thought it turned out really, really good. And the other thing that we can do, that's the mattress cover for the couch to make it into a bed, and so it stores perfectly there. So we picked up all that storage. And then again, we have this wall, which will eventually be our accent wall. So if you want to kind of see what the den looks like now. And when you come out on the balcony, we got table and chairs there, and our little grilling station, which the grilling station, just so you can see what it is, we got the Ninja Foodi XL grill. It actually works pretty darn good. So there's our little grilling station. And there's got a nice day today. Nice, just quiet day.